Hi students, I am Pavitra. In this session, we will discuss about vitamins chapter. So what is mean by vitamin? So here the word vitamin comes from Latin word. The Latin word vita means life. So in our daily life, we will take different types of food. In that there will be many kinds of vitamins. So later we will see what is the definition of vitamins. So vitamins are organic components in food that are needed in very small amounts for growth and for maintaining good health. So we will say that vitamin food, we have to take vitamin food. So because of what? So because of better growth and for maintaining good health. So everybody must eat a certain amount of vitamins to stay healthy. So later vitamins are chemicals found in a very small amounts in many different food what we are taking in our daily life. So what are the functions of vitamins? So here vitamins are helpful for the health and life of the body in the following respects. So what are those? The first one, they build up the resistance of the body against diseases. So while taking vitamin food, it will resistance of the body against diseases. So second function is which prevent and cure various diseases caused by deficiency. So third one, help the digestion and utilization of minerals, salts and carbohydrates in the body. So these are the functions, and one more function is which help health protection. So these are the functions comes under vitamins. So here we will see the classification of vitamins. So this classification based on solubility. So there are two types of classification. So first one is fat soluble and second one is water soluble. So first we will see what is a fat soluble vitamin. So here these fat soluble vitamins that dissolve in a fat because fat is easily stored in our body, and fat soluble vitamins can be stored within our fat. This means they can accumulate and be saved for later use. So while we taking fat soluble vitamins, they will store and they use for later. The fat soluble vitamins are like vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. So these are comes under fat soluble vitamin. So what about water soluble? In that vitamins that dissolve in a water. So here these are the fat soluble vitamins. Why? Because these vitamins that dissolve in a fat, because fat is a easily stored in our body. So here the second classification is the water soluble vitamins. So what are these? Vitamins that dissolve in water because our body is a watery environment. These vitamins can move through our body pretty easily, and they can also be flushed out by the kidneys. So here these are water soluble vitamins. These vitamins that dissolve in a water. In fat soluble vitamins, I told that vitamins that dissolve in a fat which is consist in our body. So here these are water soluble, these dissolve in a water which is consist in our body. So which include the B complex vitamins and vitamin C. So in a fat soluble vitamin, the vitamin A, D, E and K will comes, but here which includes the B complex vitamins and vitamin C. So totally there are 8 B vitamins including vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9 and B12. So these vitamins are comes under water soluble vitamins. So this is a classification. So first vitamin is classified into two types. One is a water soluble, second one is fat soluble. So in water soluble there are again two types, non-B complex vitamins and one more is B complex vitamins. So in fat soluble vitamin vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin K and vitamin E, which I have explained already. So in a water soluble there are 2 types, in a fat soluble there are 4 types of vitamins are there. Again, in a B complex vitamins, it is classified into again 3 types. So first is energy releasing, hematopoietic and other vitamins also are there. So in energy releasing, the first one is thiamine, which is also called vitamin B1. Second one is riboflavin, which is also called vitamin B2, and niacin, which is a vitamin B3, and biotin. So these are comes under energy releasing. This energy releasing comes under B complex vitamin. So in B complex vitamin, the second classification is hematopoietic. So in that first one folic acid and second one vitamin B12. So these two are comes under hematopoietic, which is comes under B complex vitamin. So the third type is other types of vitamins. So those are like pyridoxine and pyridoxal. So these two are comes under other type of vitamins which comes under B complex vitamins. So this is all about the classification of vitamins.